Welcome back to the Trade with Resolve channel. If you're new to the channel and interested in viewing live day trades, viewing platform tutorials, or learning basic trading terminology, then please consider subscribing to the channel. I'm currently watching Facebook, and this is the 2-minute chart, so each candlestick represents 2 minutes of price activity. At this point, Facebook has experienced a gap down, which simply means the price has opened at a lower price than it closed the previous day. Alright, so another 2-minute candlestick has closed, and I like what I am seeing at the moment, so I'm looking to take a long position expecting the price to continue higher. So I am going to buy call options here. So at this point, I am in with 3 contracts at 38 cents. I actually ended up getting a partial fill here. So only 3 of the 5 contracts were filled. And as you can see, the price is starting to break out without me. And so I'm just going to add 1 more contract here. So now I have 4 contracts at an average cost of $39.5. I'm looking for a quick scalp trade here, so I'm just looking to ride the momentum to the upside for a quick scalp. Let's see what happens with the price action. So I have 1 contract left here. I'm just holding it to see if we can get any continuation to the upside, but it does look like we are experiencing some resistance up around 185.50. And so I am going to go ahead and sell this final contract here. So we are about 9 minutes into the trading day, and I am up $45 here in just 9 minutes. And so I only invested $150 into this trade and ended up making $45, which equated to a 28.5% gain. I hope you enjoyed this short live trade, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.